This training video is on a new capability within HLS called control triggers. Control triggers is your ability to lay an effect within a sequence. That effect will cause the execution of a file, a bat file, an exe. I have up just a sample sequence that I'm playing with. The first thing we need to do is add a control channel. A control channel is what you'll place triggers in. You go to Manage Raw, and you see there's a new button here. It says Add a Control Channel. So we're going to click on that. It's going to ask what kind of control channel we're adding. I've already started working on mouth movements for Halloween and Christmas faces. What we're looking at right now is a trigger channel. And as you notice, it comes up and it gives the name trigger. You can change that name. We'll just leave it for trigger for now, and we'll accept it. Now, we want to get the trigger on the screen so we can add a trigger event. We go to, I have a group selection already, and it shows two channels. I'm going to modify the list. I'm going to add my trigger channel to that. Now I have a trigger channel. To add an event to a trigger channel, simply put the mouse on the trigger channel and do a right click. You'll get a menu. You hit add or modify, and now we can add a new trigger event. We're going to add two of them here. We're going to add the first one called my trigger, and you click on this one, and now we can come down and we'll just pick, here's an exe, Audacity. It's an executable, so we'll pick that. We'll add another trigger. We'll call this one a bat trigger. And I already have a bat file created. The bat file runs the same one. I did some testing. Now, in order to select which one we want, we'll pick one. So we'll just pick the my trigger. It's highlighted. Now, when you do that, the effect is automatically 10 units in length. If you notice, you can't shrink it, but you can grab it at the front and you can move it. So just like an effect, you can move your trigger around. We're going to have it set right there at 1 second. Now, we go to Outputs, and we go to Compile. Now you see your control trigger automatically comes up. I've been playing, so that wouldn't have been active. This is how it would come up if you're adding it for the first time. We're going to go ahead and check that, which says we want to add this control channel to our output device. We're going to click OK. Now, if we come up here and click Enable Output, when I hit play, when play hits the 1 second mark, it will launch that program. So let's go ahead and try that. We hit play. Boom, there's the program. So it was successfully launched. Now let's stop this. Let's go back up to output. Let's do a show. So again, we come over here. Now for a show, we're going to do an export. So we've just created an export file. The export file is under the name of the sequence. This is called Thriller because that's the name of the audio. We click OK. Let us create a new playlist. We're going to call this Test Trigger Test Trigger Play. And there it is. Where's test? Oh, there it is. There's Thriller. And we add it to our playlist. And we're done. So we're going to exit out of this now. And I'm in my debugger. So you'll see we're going to hit save. So we're going to save all those changes. And we'll just restart up the program. This time we're going to start it in show mode though. In show mode, we don't bring up anything. We come over to output, and we're going to do play a list. we're going to get our test trigger. I think it was test trigger play, wasn't it? And we want to play that now. 1 second in, we should get the Audacity. Here we go. There it is. So, as I've shown you, you can now add control triggers, which is the launching of an exe or a bat file anywhere within your sequence. Have a nice day, and I hope you enjoy.